Good evening and welcome to Bedtime Japanese. Tonight I want to tell you a story about one of the most magical traditions in all of Japan. Every spring, something extraordinary happens. The trees begin to bloom with soft pink flowers, and the entire country pauses to celebrate. Close your eyes and let me take you there.
こんばんは。
Over 1,000 years ago, in the mountains of ancient Japan, farmers would watch the cherry trees very carefully. When the blossoms finally opened, it was a sign that the rice planting season had begun. They believed spirits lived inside the trees, and the blossoms were a gift. Our first word tonight means cherry blossom. Listen carefully.
桜 桜
Now let's hear it in a sentence. The cherry blossoms are very beautiful.
桜がとてもきれいです。
As centuries passed, emperors and noble families began gathering beneath the blossoms for poetry and music. Samurai warriors would sit quietly under the trees, watching the petals drift down like snow. They believed the blossoms reminded them that life is precious because it does not last forever. This tradition of gathering to admire the flowers became something very special. Our next word means flower viewing.
花見 花見
Let's hear it in a sentence. Let's go flower viewing together.
花見に行きましょう。
Today, when the season changes and the air grows warm, millions of people spread blankets under the cherry trees. Families bring rice balls and sweet dango. Friends laugh together as pink petals fall into their teacups. Our next word means the season when this all happens. It means spring.
春 春
In a sentence, spring has arrived.
春が来ました。
And the people you share this moment with are just as important as the blossoms themselves. Our next word means friend.
友達友達
In a sentence, I go flower viewing with my friends.
友達と一緒に花見をします。
But here is the most wonderful part of the story. The cherry blossoms only last for about 1 week. Then the petals fall one by one, like tiny pink butterflies dancing in the wind. The Japanese people do not feel sad about this. Instead, they find it deeply moving. There is a word for this feeling. Our last word tonight means beautiful.
美しい美しい
In a sentence, the cherry blossoms are beautiful.
桜は美しいです。
So tonight, as you drift off to sleep, imagine yourself sitting under a cherry tree. The petals are falling softly around you. Your friends are beside you, and the spring air is warm. Let's remember tonight's 5 words one more time.
桜花見春友達美しいおやすみなさい
Sweet dreams, and good night!